Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create an Airwallex business account. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Airwallex business account and go to the official website. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Get Started or Open Account button to begin the sign-up process. Now enter your business email and select your account type. Remember, Airwallex is only for businesses, so you must have a registered company to continue. Next, you will be asked some basic details, like your personal details, including your name, password, and business information, like company name and headquarters location. Make sure all details match your official documents. Now enter your phone number and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on Create Account. Once submitted, Airwallex will send you a verification code on your email or mobile number. Enter the code to confirm your account. Finally, your business account will go into verification. Once approved, you can access features like multi-currency accounts, global payments, and corporate cards. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.